This is FIMI X8 Mini drone, and today I'll show how you can switch the shooting mode on this device. So while you are in the camera view or the drone view, tap at this button here, and now you can switch your shooting mode between photograph, video, one-click video, or panorama. And while in the photograph, you can switch between single and time-lapse or lapse. While in the video, you can switch between normal and also lapse or time-lapse. And while in the panorama, you can switch between horizontal and vertical orientations, as well as white. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.